Hi, we all know that central government initiated a new PF scheme to give the benefit to employee and employers. Now it is called PM Viksit Bharat Rozgar Yojana ELI scheme. Now it is ready for the enrollment. If you are an employer, you might have already received an email from PF department to go ahead and enroll for this scheme. So you just need to log into PF portal and click the link and go ahead with the registration. What all you need to provide? You need to provide your GST details. Your GST details will be verified. Your bank details will be verified. In case if you are not registered for GST, you need to give a proper reason why you have not registered for GST. And after verification of all these details, you also need to verify your email ID, your bank mobile number to complete the registration process. Once you're done with the registration process, you're all ready to get the benefit. And what is the eligibility to get the benefit? You should hire first timer employees. That means they should never had PF or UAN number before August 1st. You need to hire employees between August 1st to 2025 till 31st July 2027. You need to submit ECR challans on time, and you should continue hiring the process for more than 6 months. And eligible and the benefits for employees, and each employee they get incentive of up to 1 month PF wages or up to maximum 15,000. The first installment they get after completion of 6 months, and the second installment they get after completion of 12 months. And they receive incentive directly to their Aadhaar seeded bank details. And what's in for employer? Employer also will get up to 3,000 rupees per month for every new employee they hire. They get money to directly to their bank details after completion of every 6 months, 12 months, 18 months, and 24 months. And they should continue hiring minimum baseline after up to 6 months, minimum up to 6 months. And if your organization has 50 employees, you should hire minimum 2 employees. And if you are having more than 50 employees, you should hire minimum 5 employees to get the benefit. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and enroll for this scheme and start hiring new PF employees to get the benefit. And if you need any help, please comment below ELI scheme. So we will get back to you. Thank you.